Wow. So we are in Colombia,
Medellin.
Medellin. So that's Satai. Ramses sleeping. That's Dr. Stacian. That's Logan. And overall good guy.
Oh yeah.
Oral.
Yeah.
Say hi.
Hi.
Yeah. Where you going? You go shopping?
Whoa!
I'm not gonna chase after you. Stand up.
Whoa! Well, people. So many people. So many people. See all the people? All these people. Here. You see that guy with the braids and the beads and the glasses right there with this.
Let me see more. Ramses, say hi.
Hi. Ooh.
No, I'm not gonna run behind you right now. Just turn it through your hand. Rocket. Rocket. Alright, go to Bonnie. Go to Bonnie.
And
Gee.
I put my feet right to it. Right on board.
That's not gonna work.
no elevator.
Wow. Wow. So we are in Colombia,
Medellin.
Medellin. So that's Satai. Ramses sleeping. That's Dr. Stacian. That's Logan. And overall good guy.
Oh yeah.
Oral.
Yeah.
So the immigration was such a breeze, but you get to immigration and you get right into duty free.
Mommy.
So I guess we're gonna go to pick up the luggage.
Immigration is a breeze because
We have the baby. Yeah, I know.
Yeah.
Dancing. Look at me
Because
dancing.
And now
the
we're gonna
guy
go
like
get the
just directed me
Dada, look at me
through
dancing.
dance at the sea.
empty line.
Wow.
There's no one there.
So guys, we're in Colombia and now we're waiting on our luggage, I should say, because we checked 2 suitcases on. Hopefully this is not a repeat of Morocco, but Carousel is coming, so it's a suitcase coming along, so let's hope we get it. But yeah, we're waiting patiently, but it's pretty quick. The process is pretty quick because we have the babies. So the baby and a toddler. So,
At
pretty
least they
quick.
respect that. That's really nice.
At least I respect that you
Yeah.
have him and they'll let us through.
That was really nice.
So
They
we are
immediately
in-
escorted me to a line that no one was
I
in.
know, it was kind of cool.
Yeah.
And then with Colombia, because we already had to do immigration form before we get here, I think once they put our passport in, everything just shows up. So
Yeah.
I guess it's easy. Well,
So that's
it's
good.
easier,
Yeah.
you know. So let's wait on the suitcases. And then what we're gonna get next, guys? Rent a car. Let's see how that's gonna go, because it's always an ordeal getting stuff in these countries. Last time we went to Morocco, there was like $4,000 deposit. I was like, what? So let's see what's gonna happen when we get out there.
You have to be careful. There are a lot of bikers here too.
Hey guys, so we finally get a rental car. Never a dull moment getting cars in foreign countries. I don't know what they did, if they overbooked, but they were giving us a lot of run around with this company, telling us that our credit card is not working and all of that kind of stuff. And then we went to another company and I got a car even cheaper, but it's a smaller car. I like to have SUV when we go to these places because we don't know what the road condition is going to be like, but at least we get a car. So it's very difficult to rent a car in foreign country because there are different rules. They want you to pay for insurance and all that. When my credit card covers insurance, so sometimes I want to do stuff like that. Hold on.
Now, they keep telling Oral that his credit cards are not going through, right? And even after Oral called the bank, she pretend call, and she said the card didn't work. So I overheard another guy speaking in Spanish, but being a little bit upset. So I went to the coffee shop. The same guy ended up at a coffee shop. I said to him, did you is everything okay with your rent-a-car? He's like, no, I got there a little late and they told me that they don't have any more cars just because we're late. I'm like, yep, that's what happened. I'm literally about to tell Oral that's exactly what happened. They don't have cars, so that's why they're saying that his card is being declined. That's what happened. So, yes, Oral, that's what happened. They don't have cars. Rams is still sleeping. Logan, you're driving?
Yeah, he's driving.
And Oral is packing the trunk. Alright, time for us to go. Ramses, are you tired?
Alright, come, bring them out.
What's up?
Satai. We are in our rent-a-car going to our
Colombia, and we're going to our hotel. I got a mohawk. What's up? Let's go.
We stayed at a European
And then it's gonna be a real mohawk. It's gonna be stretched up with some gel.
Okay, Satai. Yes, we're staying at an Airbnb.
Yep.
So we're on our way there.
We're on our way to go in the hotel. We're on our way to the hotel.
We both can't speak at the same time, right? So, you're done?
Yep. I mean, nope.
Okay. All right.
Not done.
So anyways, we're going to our Airbnb. So I'm just trying to get some footage on our way there.
Colombia looks more like Jamaica.
Satai. Everywhere looks like Jamaica for you. Not much to see here, so let's see what's coming up. We passed a bunch of like little outdoor cafes, coffee shops.
Cafes are on the street.
I wasn't looking, or were they like little huts?
It's like a regular street size shop.
Okay.
Some varying size, some larger, some smaller.
Okay, it was on my phone.
I've been to Colombia before.
You've been to Colombia?
Yes, before.
Like new construction down here.
I've been to Colombia before with you guys.
What is this? Oh,
It's a flower.
like a flower shop.
No, it's not a shop. I mean, it may be just a shop. It's like a flower garden, but like.
So guys, I'm having my first coffee in Colombia.
Colombia.
My first iced coffee.
Iced coffee.
While we're waiting for the rent-a-car, is this place? It's what is it? One Valdez. What happened?
We already
Wait.
got the rent-a-car. Like, what the heck?
It's called One Valdez. A little coffee shop. So The coffee is really, really, really strong. Look, I had already had half of it, and I'm not sure I can go anymore for now. It's so strong. So I have, I added caramel and almond milk. Ramses, what happened? I made it vegan so Oral could have some, but I'm not sure if he's gonna drink, and he hasn't had any yet.
200 years.
Ramses, what happened? Anyways, the coffee's really, really good and really, really strong.
So good. I will.
Take us to the month. Ooh, look over there.
Wow.
Construction.
No, I'm not.
The hillside. Yeah, left and right.
So guys, we are here in Medellin. It's our second day, and last night when we came in, Stacy and took like the night view.
We are in Medellin, Colombia, and this is our Airbnb. So as soon as we walk through the front door, this is our entryway. Ramses, please at the door.
I'm trying to stay.
Aren't these just so beautiful? And we have a mirror. And then down the wall to your left is the first bedroom.
Me and Lo.
So the boys' bedroom.
Wait, mommy. I want to see the camera on me.
The camera's on you. You want to say something?
This is me and Logan's room.
Okay.
So this is
Anyways, we have a beautiful painting there.
yeah.
2 beds.
Yeah.
Nice closet.
Yeah. Oh shoot. Why, mommy?
There's a bathroom there. Logan is already taking a shower across from their room. And then this is the second bedroom. This is our room. Look, Oral and I will stay in this room. So there's a closet. You found a guitar? Let me see. Can you play?
Yeah. You
Play.
bet I can.
Play for them.
Like it doesn't hear anything.
Alright, so anyways, we have a closet here. And beautiful painting up there. We have some flowers there. This is our bed. And we're on the 7th floor, so this is the view.
I'm gonna
From our bedroom.
I'm gonna play Ricka Rolla. Ricka Rolla.
Beautiful view from our bedroom.
Ricka Rolla. Mommy, take a video of me.
And this is our bathroom.
Ricka Rolla. Ah.
Got a mirror here. Nice little fancy mirror. So we got our own bath. It's a 2-bedroom and 2 bath. All right, so down here we have the living. These are our luggages. We have a little dining table, which is all trucked up already with our stuff. Put everything on the table already. We have a mirror there. TV over here. Look how cute. We have a nice little sitting area. Look what Ramses did to it. Beautiful real flowers. We have some games. And these were on this table. Let me show you guys. These are on this table. And we had to, well, Oral moved them immediately as soon as we walked in because Ramses would be taking them for his toys. So yeah. Let's see, who do we have here?
Yeah. What do we have here?
Maybe that's Satai and Ramses over there.
Oh, no!
We have a little kitchenette over here.
Yeah.
Come down. Nice wicker, little wicker chairs. Oh look, we have some wine glasses here. Oh, boy,
Down here?
we have to move those for
No, we
Ramses
don't.
to spot them.
So yeah, over here.
A coffee maker, microwave, some more glasses. Washing machine here. Yeah, and that's our Airbnb. Oh, there's a balcony. You can actually see from in here. That
See, this is our
I'll
balcony.
take you guys outside.
Yeah, let's take you guys outside. So this is our balcony.
Nice little sitting
Oh,
area.
guys, look, some little frisbees. Some
Yeah.
little frisbees.
Sit and have our coffee or a glass of wine
little
when the
frisbee
boys
look.
are sleeping. I just love how there's plants everywhere. Don't open it, Seta. I don't want Ramses out here. All right, let me hold his hand since he's already here. And this is the view from the front balcony. Satai, come back.
Ooh.
Night view is beautiful though. Look at this. All the lights. Isn't that beautiful?
Yes.
All right, come Satai, let's go on in.
Yeah, let's go in on this.
All right, let's go back into the living room.
Yeah. Oh, well, let's show them this. Wait, didn't show them
What?
this.
What is that? No, that's probably not. Come.
But where we at, we're on the, you could see the entire mountain all around. This is a balcony. And we're on the 7th floor. And this is where we at. You could see the entire mountainside all around. The houses are on top of every place. Houses. Oh, they have a little thing here. And on that side, you can see it as well. Houses, mountaintop. Houses, mountaintop. And on the bedroom side, so it's a 360 view of the mountain. That's a little park in front of where we're staying. It's a train line. See, like that's the stadium over there. I think we're staying in Lorella's. That's where look all of the balcony. I'm just chilling on the balcony.
Look at these beautiful plants. I love it.
Whoa.
And some other apartment. So it's an Airbnb. And some other apartment there. Some golden trees here in this park. And we are going. Sometimes separated around this way. And this is the living room, kitchen section. This is our bedroom. It's a little messy. Oh, one bathroom here. Logan, come on. Logan, like the bedroom. Come on. And this is from the other bedroom. You can see the mountain as well from this side and from this side. So it's a 360 view of the mountains on all sides. So bathroom there. And the roof have a better view, so we might just go on the roof and check on the roof. Hey guys, we're on the roof of our Airbnb and this is the view. I thought like, I don't know if we're supposed to be here or not. It doesn't look like it, but we're here.
No, we're supposed
So that's a 360 view of the
Why is there
entire
blankets and
section.
towels?
I didn't know like somebody was laying down up here or something.
Yeah.
I
don't-
didn't try maybe.
Oh, they probably put something to dry up here, a blanket. It's the same type of blanket in our Airbnb.
Don't
Yeah.
anything. Yo!
And
What is over there?
oh, that's a water park. Yes. That's a water park over there.
Wait, that like teal building is a water park?
I think it's a water park. You slide and go into the pool. Yeah.
That teal building's a water park?
It's not a building. It's like a park.
That's a
And
water
there's a
park?
lot of houses on the mountainside. A lot of houses on the mountainside. This is
There's a
like
water park? Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! I can't believe it's a water park.
houses. Show sure a lot of these are Airbnbs and apartments, and of course where people live. The metro, the train, regular cars, buses running. Buses are nice though, nicely painted.
Yeah.
A lot of buildings, and we are going on the road. All right, let's go. It's very sunny, midday in Medellin. Very nice weather. All terracotta houses, terracotta color houses, and some terracotta roof, like those terracotta roof. All those buildings, and very, very beautiful. So this come with a parking space. Our garage come with a parking space, and look at it. I didn't go all the way back, because if I go all the way back, this person can't get up the park. These are some tiny parking spots. So I guess there's 4 down here, and the person that have my condo, they have a parking spot, so I guess we use it. But if you're renting this building, not everyone have parking spots here. So this is 2, and that's 2 over there. So now look how close I have to go to the corner just to park this thing. Very tight. And to get out, I think we are right.
Thank you for watching our show. Please subscribe and see you next time. Bye.
Sit on your
That's
trip.
enough videos.